stumbled into dancing by accompanying my friend to a hip-hop class.
My aunt was the person who inspired me to start writing, seeing her being really passionate and good at what she does.
I chose to study in SOTA so that I could learn my academics through the integration of arts and to improve more on my art form itself.
I was able to balance my art form, my passion, along with my academics and still get a really wholesome education.
Through SOTA, I actually learned a lot more about my art form. I started to love dancing, not as a hobby, but as this part of my life that was so much more intriguing than I used to think it was. Through service learning, performing for other people, and definitely for charity projects that we perform for.
I get to learn about different perspectives, learning more about the world and how to integrate different subjects into each other.